What's good, Pretty Gang? It's Mai, aka Pretty Mai. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix badly colored hair because I definitely messed up, but you'll see in a second. So this video is brought to you by Megalook hair. This is their box and it just has their social media on the side, but the real star is the inside of the box because it is so fancy and glamorous. Like, look at it. It comes with this cute little baggie, and inside of here there's a whole wig cap and a bunch of other stuff that I'm gonna show y'all in a second. So yeah, it came with 2 wig caps, and then it also came with this cute headband. And then it came with this edge brush and this cute bracelet with little diamond sparkles on it. And then it came with their hair clip and lastly, a pair of tweezers. And then also, of course, the hair came in it. We have 24 inches of 613 hair here. And then they have this paper just telling you how to take care of your hair with the maintenance tips and whatever. But yeah, let's get into coloring. So here's the wig. It's a 613 24-inch lace front wig. Like I said, it has 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it has the elastic band so that it's glueless. But you can see today my goal was to get rid of this yellow color and get like an ash blonde that would really go cute with my skin because I was excited to be blonde, y'all. So go ahead and watch me mess it up real quick because that's what's gonna happen. First, everybody knows you get hot water. Everybody boils theirs. Well, not everybody. I don't boil mine because I'm lazy. As long as there's steam on the side of the bowl, you're fine. But here's my Shimmer Light shampoo. That's what we're using today to tone the hair. I knew I messed up right here because my bottle was clogged. So I opened it up and 2 gigantic drops came out and I put way too much. And I knew my hair was gonna come out gray. It was just a lot. Like, y'all gonna see how dark the water gets. So I'm stirring it. Right here is the color it should be, but watch how it continues getting darker. So in my mind, I'm just like, if it turns gray or like a little too ashy blonde, that's cute. It's gonna be cute on me, right? No. It didn't come out even. So here you can see when I lifted up just then, it was the color that I wanted it. But we have to, of course, get the whole thing submerged. And you can see it's turning gray every time I dip it. It was really nothing I could do at this point. But I set a 5-minute timer, let it sit, and here's how it came out. So like I said, I wouldn't mind having gray or silver hair, but the problem here is, as you can see, the top is the color I wanted it, the ash blonde color, but the bottom is gray, like really, really gray. Obviously, I had to even this out. You can see there's some gray streaks in the top. It was just all bad, like, oh my gosh. So we tried this one more time. I added some more shampoo just to make it, at this point I thought I was going full gray, but here's the bottom, it's like silver. So I added more shampoo to get that silver color everywhere. I dipped the top part in because that's the one part that still had yellow in it. And I was hoping that this would even out the tone. As you'll see in a second, it did not. So here's how it looked when I took it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this real quick and you'll see that there was no way for me to fix this hair. The bottom got darker, the top almost stayed the same. Like, I don't even know what was going on. You said it looked like what? Fuck you. I did this wrong. Do not follow this routine. We're gonna fix it. That's what this video is. How to fix fucked up colors. So after all of that, here's how the hair looked when it was wet. It looks way more even on camera than it did in person. As y'all saw in the last clip, it was still blonde at the top. I don't know why it's looking gray, but it was yellow and silver. But here it is, dried. This is 5 days later. I let it dry. So it dried up. It looks gray. And it looks like it would have been cute if I flat ironed it, but I swear in person it was still blonde at the top and it was so ugly. So I decided to go with a cool tone color to go with our gray, and I did blue. So today I'm using Adore Indigo Blue and Royal Navy. I use both of them because Royal Navy is too dark and Indigo Blue is too blue, it's too bright. So you can see right here how much of the Indigo Blue I used and how much of the Royal Navy. I don't measure or do anything like that, so I just kind of guessed. But that was definitely less than half of each. And here's my little testing. You can see that came out a really cute color. So I decided to go ahead and dip the hair in and dye it blue. All you want to do is make sure that your hair is fully submerged. This goes for 613 or not. You just want to submerge the hair all the way. Make sure the water's hot, and those are really the only two rules. But then we waited 5 minutes again. And I pulled the hair out, and this is how it was looking. It's like a pretty navy blue, but there's still some spots that were too light. That's normal though. So I'm just putting it in the sink to show you guys some lighter spots. And that just meant we had to redip it. So here I am pouring some more color. This time you'll notice I put more color, so the hair is going to come out a little darker than last time, but it still ended up being about the same color after I shampooed it. So here I am dipping the front of the hair because that's the part that didn't get colored as much. And then I put the rest in afterwards. And here's how it looked when I pull it out. Like I said, it's a little darker, but after shampooing, it lightens up and looks really pretty. So when you rinsing it, you want to rinse in cold water. Hot water gets rid of color. And then once you feel like it's rinsed out and the water is almost clear, you can add some shampoo and just start washing it. It's normal for the color to come out, so don't worry about that. But after I rinsed the shampoo off, I went ahead and went in with a conditioner from the same brand. I'm using Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner. And you still want to be using cold water this whole time. So with the conditioner in it, you're going to see me brushing it out because I don't want it to dry how the gray one did, which was really frizzy and tangled. Okay, now here you can see me. I'm just styling the wig. This is a weird clip. It's because I was gonna send you guys to my friend's channel to watch me style it, but something happened with my mic, so this whole video is silent for some reason. So I'm just include it here so you guys can watch me, and I'll kind of tell you what I'm doing. So I was going for like a swoop bang. You can see me putting out my sections and putting the wax stick on them so they'll stay down. And then I'm just pulling the back up into a ponytail and starting to work with my sections. So all you have to do to get the swoop bang effect is comb your two sections in the shape that you want them, like I'm doing right now. And then you pull them to the back and you ponytail tie them together. So right now you're just gonna watch me shape them. And then once I get both sides shaped, we're gonna put them into a ponytail in the back. The only two products I used were Got To Be Spray and the wax stick. On the left side of the screen, you're just gonna see the hair stats. And maybe I'm gonna put pros and cons, but I'm gonna just put it over her because it's kind of distracting having her over there doing her makeup. This was supposed to be a get ready with me on her channel, Limelight Beauty. But like I said, the audio messed up, so it's silent. And that's why there's both of us in the camera, if I didn't explain that well enough. So here I am tying them into the ponytail, and then I'm just gonna comb out the rest of my hair because I had already straightened it after it dried. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna touch it up, add some baby hairs, and do my finishing touches, and then that's gonna be it for this hair. So once I finished up with the baby hairs, that's pretty much it for this entire video. I'm gonna let you guys go, but here's how my hair came out. I love this brand. The hair is super silky and soft, and it was easy to color once I fixed what I had did. So let me know what you guys think down below about the color and how the hair came out, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.